Hi there, in this video we're going to change the color of stuff. Okay, so we're going to change it green and make it pink and then actually pick any color we like. Same with this one here, we've got red shoes and ready, green shoes. All right, it's super quick, it's super easy. We're going to use the hue and saturation adjustment panel. Let's do it now in Photoshop. All right, to get started, let's open up two files. They're in the same color folder we've been working in. Open up Hue 01 and Hue 02. Okay, with Hue 01 open, let's go to Adjustments, and to change the color, we use this one called Hue and Saturation. Click on him. Now what we want to do is under Hue, okay, this Hue slider here, grab this little, I call it a little house, white house, okay, a little arrow thing there, click it, hold it and drag it left, and slowly but surely, see the colors updating. Go on. Okay, drag it all the way to the right as well. Okay, that'll get you through your full range of colors available. And one thing you might do is I'm going to pick any sort of color here. Okay, and the other one you might play around with is saturation. Okay, so they say the color's not quite, poppy enough for you. Click, hold, and drag it up a little bit. I'm going to max mine out. Okay, it goes a bit too high, but you can kind of see I can just raise it up a little bit. Cool, and I want you to do the same thing for, this is the one we worked on earlier for levels, okay, Hue 02, do the same thing. Open up Hue and Saturation, drag it around, see if you can change the color. Nice and easy and fun. Just a little side note here is I've worked on a few jobs where I've been in charge of photographing, say, a product. Let's say it was glasses. Okay, so we photographed, there was the same style but a range of colors. So what we did is what everyone does is that you photograph kind of one of them. Okay, say we pick the color red and we photograph it, we get the right angles and we try a few things with lighting, we get it right. And instead of, you know how when you're on Amazon or eBay and you're going through the different color options and somehow magically that shirt or those glasses, they're in the exact same position but different colors. And you're like, how did they line those up and photograph them all perfectly? They didn't. Okay, it was somebody like me who went, yeah, let's just do one. And later on in Photoshop, I'll go and adjust them. And yeah, I sat there with the glasses and went, yeah, the blue color. And then I grabbed the slider and went, yeah, with the blue color. And I'll be looking at the glasses in my hand and looking at the Photoshop and going, yeah, it's close enough. Okay, and it was that. It's like, I feel like it's a confession. Okay, but yeah, that's the easy and quick way. Color matching is super hard regardless, lighting and stuff affect it. And if you, like me, had no budget and just needed to get them done, it's a quick and easy way to adjust the hue. All right, so practice with Hue 02, and I will see you in the next video where we start looking at selectively adjusting the hue. I'll explain more in the next video.